everybody, it's JTS here again, and this time we're going to do something a bit different, a bit strange, a bit new. Normal survival games on the Woodycraft server with a special guest, Crimson Thunder. And if you haven't seen the first episode, go check that out. And after that, check out Crimson Thunder's YouTube channel. Because he's, yeah. It might be in the description, it might not, because I don't usually do that. Because yeah.
I'm sorry if I hit you. I don't even know every single thing I see.
Don't turn around, because I'm behind you. I need a stick. If you get a... Dude, don't kill Goku. Don't kill Goku, bruh.
Okay, I fly.
Ooh, got a fishing rod and a fishing rod with a carrot on it.
You stuck it all. Now you did.
Oh, look at all this food. It looks like I won't starve to death again.
Just kills.
Oh my gosh, I keep on getting fishing rods everywhere. Like, what the heck? Did nobody go to spawn and get food and fishing rods or something? Okay, go back to spawn so I can get some of your stuff. Oh, okay. I'll go right behind you with a fishing rod. Where did you go? Did you go down the giant wooden pathway? Oh. I think you went down this one. Where are you?
Actually, you guessed it. Turn around.
1 second. Carrot on a stick. Oh, hi. Can I have some soap? I didn't get anything. You didn't? Dude, this is what I have. Bow. Wait, okay, what I have is seeds, bow, fishing rod, 4 bread, 3 steak, carrot on a stick, fishing rod, 3 snowball, bone, carrot on a stick, 2 gold. So I have,
Wait.
so,
And a feather.
yes. So do you want my bow? Do you want my bow? Wait, do you have a carrot on a stick yet?
No.
Here you go. Dude, we are the carrot on the stick warriors. Take it. You don't have to use it. You know what? Fine. I'll just throw it in the ocean. Throw. Bang. Throw. There. Done. Believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. What? I don't know where you are. Was it JTS? Oh, I see someone. I see someone, and I don't. Oh. Get the jump on him! Haha! Die! I boosted you. Give me a sword! Thank you. I just jump on you like, give me the sword! Can I love tap you?
Sure. If I can love tap you with this sword.
I did love tap you with the sword. Wait, I can't get out of the spider web, stop.
I just got
Wait, fishing rod, love tap. 3, 2, go.
love tap.
Love tap. Wait, I'm gonna keep on attached to you so I can know wherever you're going. Dude, it's just so I know, so I know we can never go far away from each other. Okay, well, Crimson Thunder is muted. He can hear us. So, yeah, everybody. Love tap. wait up. Nom, nom,
I
nom.
got some bread too.
Nom,
Yeah,
nom.
I just ate some bread. Yes, what about?
Oh, I just threw my sword on the ground. Wait, let me kill him. I want to kill him.
Oh god, his only weapon is a carrot on a stick.
No! Oh, die.
So guys, seriously, that's not just
Wanna be? Okay, I can give you these. Okay, let me just. There. Sorry, my controls were weirding out. Took me a while. Wait, let me sort my inventory real quick. Wait, I'm sorting my inventory. You whore. I guess I'll put that right there. Yeah. All we need are iron swords, and we're the Iron Warriors. What?
We're splitting up.
Okay.
Go away from me. Get away from me.
You whore! How dare you?
Get away from me.
Oh, found some gold. Gold chest plate. I believe I can fly. Yeah, kill you, chicken. Oh.
Okay, so I'm gonna mention mix and match over here.
What, do you have lingerie or chain? Do you have chain, then gold, then iron?
Yeah, and leather.
Oh, yes, leather.
I do. But now I'm full on.
Yeah, I need to throw away some of my stuff in the ocean real quick.
I'm gonna stick it in the chest that's all.
No, when you throw it in the ocean, nobody can find it.
I don't care if it's all useless. It's just...
Oh, I have like enough. I'm not gonna throw my iron or food yet. But everything else, yeah. Yeah, I just have iron leggings and iron boots, and I don't want anybody getting full iron. This may be a two-parter because I'm running out of time in my camera thing. Yeah, so we're gonna have to go to deathmatch and end this in like 2 minutes, literally 2 minutes, or I have to make this 2 parts.
Okay, Josh, we'll leave. So you can watch it.
Shut up.
I just did that face.
I believe I can fly.
Says you.
I believe I can touch the sky.
May not have to be a two-parter.
Kill him. Kill him. We literally like have 1 minute left. Okay, literally 1 minute. Yeah, I have 1 minute left before I'm done with the video. Screw it. 2-parter. Deathmatch will be in the second part. Goodbye.
Hello! I've decided since the second part was so short, the deathmatch part was so short, that I'm going to fuse them together. So you have the second part in this episode. And also, ignore the sneezing when I'm talking, because I have a really weird way of recording. I record it, then record it, and right now I have a cold. So while I'm recording, when I was feeling better, I sneezed more, and then just being silent through the video. So please ignore that. And if me just recording it like that makes you hate my channel, I don't understand why. But that's the reason for all the sneezing in these episodes is because I have a cold. So, second part in this episode. So, let's get right to it.
Welcome to the second part of Hunger Games or Survival Games or whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I just think that we'd make
4, 3. What the? Someone has a diamond sword.